Top 5 most unusual animals on the planet. 1. Lemur Sunda. Flying lemurs belong to the species of six-winged. They are small, secretive animals, leading a nocturnal lifestyle. This animal gets its name for the presence of a folded membrane, which allows the lemur to glide between trees at a distance of up to 100 meters with almost no loss of height. Six wings can camouflage well and blend into the bark of trees. They are not easy to spot in the foliage. Flying lemurs move very swiftly along the tree trunk and very rarely come down to the ground. In search of food, the lemur can cover a distance of up to 1.5 kilometers during the night. The weight of the Zondo lemur does not exceed 2 kilograms, body length is a little more than 40 centimeters, tail length 10 to 27 centimeters. 2. Madagascar hand-footed lemur. A very unusual and rare nocturnal animal lives in the north of Madagascar. This is the rupin or lemur ii. Locals associate many superstitions with this animal. They are even afraid to pronounce the name of the animal in their native language. In fact, the pandemonium is quite cute and harmless representative of the lemur family. The weight of an adult reaper is about 3 kilograms, body length reaches 44 centimeters. The main decoration of the animal is a fluffy tail up to 60 centimeters long. It feeds on maggots, nuts, fruits, mushrooms, and even on growths on tree bark. Thanks to its long fingers, it can easily get larvae from under the bark of a tree. The ii lemur is on the verge of extinction and is included in the Red Book. In order to increase the population size, a reserve is created where the animals are protected. 3. Axolotl. The axolotl is a rare animal native to Mexico that lives in freshwater with temperatures no higher than 20 degrees Celsius. Locals call the axolotl a water dog or dragon and consider it a deity. The animal is essentially the larva of the ambystoma. The offspring of the Mexican and tiger ambystoma suffer from neotenia due to a lack of the hormone thyroidin, so they never mature. At the same time, they reach sexual maturity and are capable of bearing offspring. The ability to regenerate in axolotls never ceases to amaze. They can regrow lost gills, a tail, limbs, skin, and even internal organs. Axolotls are favorites of aquarists. They are not difficult to keep at home in large, spacious aquariums with clean, cool water. The animal feeds on fish, bloodworms, tadpoles, and earthworms. In captivity can live up to 15 years and grow to 90 centimeters in length. 4. Leaf-tailed gecko. Another representative of the amazing fauna of Madagascar is the leaf-tailed gecko. This is a genius of camouflage. The flat tail and torso with veining of the Madagascar gecko resembles fallen leaves, which greatly increases the chance of not being spotted and eaten by predators. The gecko chooses its dwelling in fallen leaves under small bushes. It searches for food at night and can sit motionless on a bush for a long time during the day, imitating fallen leaves. Another name of the lizard is the satanic leaf-tailed gecko. In case of danger, the animal opens its red mouth with sharp teeth, trying to frighten a predator, or throws back its tail to hide from the offender. This is a rather large lizard. It grows up to 30 centimeters in length, can be any color from gray beige to white with brown stripes. It is an endangered species of reptile, strictly protected by law, and included in the Red Book. 5. Trumpettooth. The most bizarre and unusual animal on Earth can safely be called the trumpettooth. It does not resemble any animal known to us. Its origin is still a mystery. Its limbs resemble hooves, its body resembles a kangaroo, its muzzle resembles an anteater with hair ears and a pig snout. It is the only mammal of this species on the planet. The animal lives in Central and Southern Africa. The pipefish is a harmless animal that lives in burrows. They are excellent diggers. The tube-tooter feeds on termites, ants, beetle and locust larvae, and can eat more than 50,000 insects in a day. In times of drought, tubeworms prefer juicy fruits and berries. Although in the wild the tube-toothed cat prefers to eat small insects and their larvae, in zoos they eat porridge, eggs, milk, and meat. The trumpettooth is nocturnal, hiding in burrows or basking in the sun during the day. They are slow and clumsy, so baby tube tutors often fall prey to large predators.